This is SketchUp 2024's new graphics engine capability or compatibility. However, you could just try to use your CPU if you don't have the GPU to activate this. What I try to do is to enable draft mode. As you can see here, when I pan and zoom only, it disables either the raster view or the whole SketchUp viewport. However, personally, I would like to see my drawings all the time, whether it be line work, as long as it's not just blank. I can also adjust the delay time to redraw this or keep it on all of the time. Well, another technique that I have thought about to work lightly is to go to document setup, and I think I will just lower the quality of what I see in the preview for images and viewports. Everything is of high quality. Even when I export raster drawings, it will be overridden as hybrid ones in PDF.